Here, let's talk about one of the most beloved sweet treats to ever come out of Australia, the iconic Lamington. Soft, sweet, and a little messy in the best way, Lamingtons are more than just a dessert. They're a nostalgic symbol of Aussie baking, school fundraisers, country fairs, and generations of family kitchens. So, what exactly is a Lamington? At its core, a Lamington is a square of light, fluffy sponge cake. But what makes it truly special is what happens after it's baked. Each piece is dipped in a smooth, chocolatey icing, then rolled in shredded coconut. The result? A perfect balance of textures and flavors, soft and airy on the inside, rich and chocolatey on the outside, with that signature coconut coating giving it a satisfying finish. Some versions even take it a step further by slicing the sponge in half and adding a layer of whipped cream or strawberry jam in the middle. This little twist makes it even more decadent and adds a burst of fruity sweetness that pairs beautifully with the chocolate coating. But Lamingtons aren't just tasty, they're a piece of Australian history. The story goes that the treat was named after Lord Lamington, who served as governor of Queensland in the late 1800s. Legend has it that his chef had to quickly create a dessert for surprise guests, so he used leftover sponge cake, dipped it in chocolate, and rolled it in coconut to prevent sticky fingers. Whether or not the story is 100% true, what's clear is that Lamingtons became a hit, and they've stayed popular ever since. Today, Lamingtons are a staple at local bakeries, cafes, and supermarkets across Australia. They're especially popular around Australia Day, but honestly, they're enjoyed year-round. There's even a National Lamington Day celebrated every July 21st, where people share their favorite recipes, enjoy Lamington baking contests, and of course, eat lots of Lamingtons. And like all great traditional foods, Lamingtons are evolving. Modern bakers are giving them creative twists, like Lamington cupcakes, Lamington ice cream, even vegan and gluten-free versions. Some add matcha, caramel, or even espresso flavors. Others make giant Lamington cakes, perfect for parties or birthdays. The classic recipe still reigns supreme, but the creativity around it shows how much people love and embrace this simple yet satisfying dessert. One of the best things about Lamingtons is how easy they are to enjoy. You don't need a fork, you don't need a plate, just pick one up and take a bite. That mix of chocolate and coconut sticks to your fingers a bit, but that's part of the fun. It's casual, it's comforting, and it brings back sweet memories for so many Aussies. Whether it's part of a school bake sale, an afternoon tea, or a nostalgic treat shared with family, Lamingtons hold a special place in Australian hearts. They're not flashy or fancy, they're humble, handmade, and deeply loved. And sometimes that's what makes food truly iconic. So if you've never tried a Lamington before, it's time to get your hands on one. And if you already know and love them, you'll understand why this little square of cake has become such a big part of Australia's culinary story.